Bench testing a 1959-1960 Cadillac headlight switch, non-fog light option, serial number HS05222024, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. Test number 3, dome courtesy light operation. Test number 4, dash lights set low to high. Test number 5, circuit breaker test. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a fully charged battery, right now we're reporting 12.84 volts. During the run-up test, we're going to be boosting the battery. Now showing around 13.93 volts. Also during the run-up test, you're going to be monitoring the temperature of the rheostat. Right now we're at ambient, around 86, 87 degrees. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. First position, at the tail, front parking. Let's set the dash lights to low. Again, off. First position. Tail, front parking, and off. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. First position, we have our tail, front parking. Second position, tail lights, front parking lights are off, headlights are on. Back to first position, headlights are off, front parking lights come back on, and off. Test number 3, dome courtesy light operation. First position, we have our tail light, parking lights. We rotate the rheostat, and we see we have an indication of dome courtesy lights. Second position, rotate the rheostat, ground the switch body tab, we have dome lights. Back to first position, ground the tab, dome courtesy, and off. Features also available by rotating the stem. See, we can turn on the dome courtesy lights by just rotating the switch stem. Test number 4, dash lights set low to high. First position, dash lights are right now on high. I'm going to set them to mid-range. Monitor the temperature of the rheostat. We're at 93 degrees. 94. Let's go to dim. 95 degrees Fahrenheit. 96. Second position, headlight position. Rotate the rheostat. Dash lights now at mid-range. Reporting 97 degrees Fahrenheit. 98. Full bright. 99 degrees Fahrenheit. 100. Back to mid-range. To dim. Off. Back to dim. Mid-range. Reporting 102, 101 degrees Fahrenheit. Full bright. And off. Test number 5, circuit breaker test. Toggle around the headlight switches hit an onboard circuit breaker in the event that the vehicle wiring was shorted or there was a situation somewhere in the circuit. The bimetallic arm would expand and protect the switch body and the vehicle wiring. Demonstrate that. I'm going to put the switch into first position. Demonstrate overheating of the bimetallic arm, breaking the connection between the battery and the switch body, protecting the vehicle wiring and also the switch. Second position, we see that feature is also available. Demonstrate expansion of the bimetallic arm. We see that the lights now are off. The connection between the battery and the switch and the vehicle wiring is disconnected. Back to first position. Expansion of the arm. And off. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a standard 12-volt test light, we're going to demonstrate that the switch terminals are insulated from ground. We see we have continuity back to the battery at the switch chassis. We probe the dash light terminal. We have no continuity back to the battery. The ground tab for the courtesy dome light, no continuity back to the battery. Our battery feed, no continuity. Headlight, no continuity. Tail light, no continuity. Parking lights, no continuity. We only have continuity back to the battery at the switch chassis. This demonstrates that the switch terminals are insulated from ground.